A big hello and a warm welcome to all of you amazing and beautiful people out there. Welcome to my channel. It's early in the morning and I thought that I should share something really cool with you which can help you in your skincare and something which is absolutely natural. So you can see I just woke up in the morning, haven't done anything, my hair just put in a bun, and the product that I'm going to talk about today is this. It's a small crystal bar. And since I have already used it, this is how it looks like. This is called alum. It's a small crystal bar. Usually I take a little bit of water, as you can see. I put the alum in it. I dip it like few times, like this. Turn it over, dip it up, and then I take it out. So I have some water in it now, which is charged with alum. So you can dip it like this 14-15 times at least. Since I've already put some into it, so I was like, okay, I don't want to do so much. Before bringing it for you, I've already done it in the night time. I usually do this like every 2-3 days I do this. Then I have this brush. It has very soft bristles. So I dip this brush into this water, and just like you put any face mask, I apply it all over my face like this. If you have the problem of fine lines and you feel that you're aging slightly faster, your skin is not that nice, or you have some issues, then you can just put it on those areas. You can apply it like every 2 days also if you want. I feel that in today's world, people are aging prematurely because of all the stress, because of all the tension they take, and because of the programming. They have put human beings in a set pattern. Like 20 years you should do this, 25 years you should do this, 30 years you should be like this, 35 you should be like this, at 40 you look like this. So a lot of people have started thinking that they can age at 25. Like at 25 people have started using anti-aging creams or anti-aging products. So I think that is insane, because your actual life, your actual understanding about human relationship starts after 30. And then there are people who use Botox, they use injections, they use lip fillers, they use all these crazy products. It's very easy, guys. Put it on your neck. If there's anything excess, then you can just dab it like this. So this is my skin without any makeup. This is kohl, and kohl usually stays on your eyes even after you wash your face, so it stayed. Now I'm gonna leave it like this. You can put some ice cubes in a bowl of water like this, and you can just wash your face with it. Or because it's winter time, I just take this icy cold water. I wash my face with it. Not only it like sort of brings me out of my sleep, it makes me very active, but it's really good for the skin. The skin loves it. This alum, it removes the fine lines, it removes the wrinkles. It makes your skin very shiny and very glowy. And what is the another use of it is, if you start using it, you'll probably not need your dentist anymore. I mean, you might need your dentist if you want to do some teeth alignment or something like that, but I don't think even that should be important, because God made us the way God made us is amazingly fine. All you have to do is this water, this remaining water. Sometimes I even drink it up a little bit. So all you have to do is take a sip like I just did, gargle your mouth with it and spit it out. That way, all your gums related problems will go away. I literally had bleeding gums, and my teeth, my gums were in so much pain. I called my family and I said that, I need a good dentist. And they obviously know dentist because they've been going to dentist. Just by God's grace, I went to meet one of my acquaintances, and he told me that, why don't you use alum for your teeth? You'll never go to the dentist again and you'll have the best, healthiest gums and teeth. I said, it's unbelievable, but how long is it going to take? Because, sometimes we think that herbal products take a long time. I gargled like for 3 days and my bleeding gums stopped. You can see my teeth. I just did it some time back. Usually I do it after every 3-4 days. I gargle and little bit, like just a little small sip or 2 sips you can even drink. It's not bad for health. It's good for health, in fact. It's easily available and it's very cheap. This alum bar cost me only 12 Indian rupees. So you can imagine, like people put Botox, lip fillers, injections to get rid of fine lines and all the skin problems, and this is only 12 Indian rupees. It's less than half of $1. So thank you so much for being here with me. I'll see you soon in another one. Bye.